feared for myself, my family, and my home. I am proud to call Guam my home, and they say, home is where the heart is. And these talking heads with their silver tongues and unilateral decision-making are pulling on my heartstrings, but I refuse to dance to the sounds of complacency. Bombs and Patriot missile systems belong in works of fiction, not in the backyards of our children. I remember as a child the sounds of war machines mobilizing a convoy of 18-wheeled chariots carrying long-bed trailers of destructive payloads, and as a child, I thought it was cool. These big machines leaving Naval Magazine with bombs in the back seat. But as I saw my younger siblings playing in our backyard yesterday, I began to finally be afraid. My parents' home overlooks Afro Bay, and I am afraid that the beautiful horizons we get to see each and every night, the sunsets will be marred by the sights of nuclear aircraft carriers and missile defense systems. I am afraid for my brother and sister and for every child now and tomorrow. I am afraid that the problems of past generations will continue to be passed to them with more questions and confusion rather than solutions. We need solutions, not more talk and talk. We need to begin to walk, stand up, and speak out. November 13th, the editor of the Marianas Variety labels me the lone voice because I stood up to ask a question regarding the youth and this military buildup. They keep talking about the youth and how they are agents of change, leaders of tomorrow. But today's leaders are leading us somewhere the youth do not want to follow. So I may just be another lone voice, but enough voices together will be heard. So speak up, stand out, because our youth are the ones that have the most at stake.